Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to buy Super Trump coin. In order to do this, we will be using the platform called Gate.io. When we open our Gate.io app, which can be downloaded in the App Store, we're going to go over there and at the bottom you can see Trade. Tap on it and then you should have Convert right here. Of course, if you're not seeing it, maybe at the very top you're currently under a spot and you need to take note that there are different tabs. Now when you swipe from right to left, you can see Convert. We're going to tap on it and this is where you have the option to buy Super Trump coin. Now you'll need to have some USDT, as you can see, that's quite important, and then it's currently under spend, and then under receive you can see BTC. Tap on it. It's going to give you a drop down where you can actually search for Super Trump coin. You're going to search for Super Trump and there you have S Trump or Super Trump coin. Tap on it and all that's left is to put in the amount of USDT you'd like to transfer in order to convert from USDT to S Trump. So here you're going to put in the amount of USDT you'd like to convert from USDT into Trump coin. After that, the preview content result will be turned on where you can actually tap on it to complete your transaction. At the bottom, you can see the minimum of 0.01 USDT, which is just to notify you of how much you need as a minimum. So go ahead and tap on preview content result and complete the transaction. So this is how to buy Super Trump coin.